All right, hey, this is Bruce Latch. We're at Timeless Arts Refinishing, Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm just going to show you this radio we just got done refinishing. It is a Zenith 12S 475 Darth Vader shutter dial radio. That thing came to us, it was in pretty bad shape. One of the sides was tore up over here.
Yep.
Corey, do a little walk around of it. This side here, the veneer was all tore back up pretty much. It's all photo finishing through here. There's a nice picture of the front. We had to remove the grill cloth. We just put that back in. It's got the stickers up here. You got the photo finish on both end caps. A nice dark toning right in through here. I'll flip this side around, Corey. You see that all right?
Yep.
Here's the other side. This is kind of an image of what it looks like empty on the inside. To get to the grill cloth back in here, you actually have to remove this whole speaker panel there, which is just 3 screws on each side. That's a tight fit. And then this is all stapled up onto the cloth. The cloth is stapled to the back of these bars. So that's a fun little radio to do. Actually, I guess it's pretty rare too. So, well, thank you. Have a good day.